What's up, my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas from wherever you're watching me from. So guys, in today's video we shall be exploring this very part. Let's see the recent update of this road. All you have to do is to stick and make sure you watch this very video to the end, and as you watch, please don't forget to share to your family and friends, and do let us know anything you think about it. So my wonderful people, you can see that the roundabout that used to be here before now has been removed. This is ShopRite Owerri Junction. You can see there is no roundabout here. It has been removed. So my wonderful people, as we proceed, if this is your first time of coming across this beautiful channel, my name is Nuella and this is Nuelchuky, my little space on YouTube world. So we shall be exploring this very road today. This is ShopRite. You can see ShopRite over there. We shall be exploring this very road. Let's see the recent updates. As you watch this very video, please, my wonderful people, share to your family and friends. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. This road is called Egbu Road. If you're going to Umuahia, if you're going to Emekuku, if you're going to Mbise, guys, you must pass through this road. Though this is not the only road for you to go to Mbise. You can as well take Airport Road if you're going to Mbise. But I think Airport Road is farther than this. This is the shortest road if you're going to Mbise. And you can see this road is being worked on now. I wonder what will happen during this season. This is Ebere Links. Ebere Links is also here now. You can see it's a new filling station. Honestly, my wonderful people, I suggest if you're going to Mbise this season, if you're traveling home for your Xmas, I think you should not take this very road because there will be a lot of hold up here. You'll meet hold up at Emekuku. You will as well meet hold up at Afoye-Ogugu. So it's better for you to take that of Airport Road. At least you meet some and you will not meet some. So guys, come along with me. Let's see. Honestly, people living around here will be suffering this season. Why? Just take a look at the zinc. They will be facing dust and all that. Just take a look at the zinc. You can see how dusty it is. My God. So guys, what do you think about this?